what's up, guys?
Today we're gonna be trying another taste video. One taste video. We got our newest Takis. Show them your Takis, Matt.
I got the original. He wanted to get the new flavor.
We just came from Family Dollar, and I cannot wait to try these. I haven't tried them in a long time, so let's get this party started.
So, in case you guys are new, be sure to like, subscribe, and the notification bell for more content.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Andrew Medina #1. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So you open yours up.
Oh, smell them. Now I'm very scared. These are the newest flavors. Look.
Oh, show it up close up to the camera like this. Look at all the powder on it.
Orange and Matthew's red. Okay, let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
It's very cheesy.
Why is it spicy? I know they're Takis, but why is it so spicy?
I tried them before every time. Oh my god, this is blowing in my stomach.
Oh! How much Taki powder? How much Taki powder did I add to this?
I'm just chilling.
Alright. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap Takis. I give you one of mine, you give me one of yours.
Okay. Let's do this. This is about to be fire.
Alright. You take one of mine, I'll take one of yours.
I'll give you one.
Okay. Alright.
3, 2.
Alright, hold up. Taste test. 3, 2, 1. Not too bad. Kind of tastes a little bit like cheesy nachos, but oh, you good? Chill.
I'm crying.
Yeah, these actually do kind of taste like nacho cheese. Cheesy nachos.
Imagine if you go to the hospital eating one of these.
We're not gonna go to the hospital. Chill.
Oh, I love dust.
Alright. Okay, let's do one more. Ready? Okay, I got your Taki out. Show it to the camera. Now show yours. Alright, 3 taste tests in 3, 2, 1. Why so much Taki powder?
Okay, so this time 2 to 2. Take 2 of my Takis first.
Oh, we're doing 2?
Yup. Alright. And after that, we're doing 5.
Oh, wait, no. That's too much. Alright, get your Takis out. Whew. Oh,
No, take 2.
Nah, I'm good. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
2,
1.
Not that much. It's not too bad. Alright. So that's it for the video. These Takis are really spicy.
And I'm gonna drink some milk. All the milk.
Matthew.
Alright, so that was the end of the video.
We're gonna do a part 2.
In case you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, notification bell, and subscribe.
We're gonna do a part 2 on my birthday.
So, you guys like the new haircuts?
Yep.
So, do you guys like the haircuts? So yeah, that was the end. We will be doing a part 2 sometime on his birthday. And
if we forget, we're gonna do it tomorrow.
So I'll see you guys on my next video. Ah!